everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are discussing the shortcut trick to multiply the numbers using Nikhilam approach. Here we are multiplying those numbers which have different base. The last video also we have discussed a number with different base, but in that the numbers were less than the base and here the number would be greater than the base. So let's see how it is done. So here is first example, 1013 multiplied by 112. For 1013, we are taking the base as 1000 and the difference from the base would be plus 13 because when we'll add 13 to the base 1000, we get 1013. For 112, we are taking the base as 100 and the difference is plus 12 because after adding 12 to the base 100, we get 112. Now our result will have three parts. For the first part, what we have to do, we have to look for a number with a smaller base, that is 112, and the base has 3 digits. So the base has 3 digits. So here we have to extract 3 digits from the left hand side. So for 1013, the 3 digits from the left hand side are 101. And then to this 101, we have to add the difference factor of 112, that is 12. So we need to add 12 here. Now 101 plus 12 is 113. For the second part, we have to copy the part of the bigger number which was left in the first part. So in the first part, we have used 101 of 1013 and the second part 3 will be copied. For the last part, we have to multiply 13 by 12 which is 156. Now, our smaller base has 2 zeros, so this part should be a 2-digit number. But here is a 3-digit number. So what we need to do is we need to copy this 1, 2, 3 so that it becomes 4 and the final result would be 113456. Now we are multiplying 1008 by 13. For 1008, the base is taken as 1000 and the difference from base is plus 8. Because if we add 8 to 1000, we get 1008. For 13, the base is taken as 10 and the difference from base is 3 plus 3 because if we add 3 to 10, we get 13. Now, our result will have three parts. Now, our base, the smaller base has 2 digits, so we have to take 2 digits from the left of a bigger number, which is 1008. So if I'll extract first 2 digits of 1008, we get 10. Now we need to add the difference of base from the smaller number 13, which is 3. So we have to add 3 to 10 so that we'll get 13. So this is the first part. For the second part, we have to copy that part of the first number which was not used in the first part. So that is 08, which will be copied here. For the third part, we have to multiply 8 by 3, which is 24. Okay. Now, the third part, the number of digits depends upon the number of zeros in the smaller base. The smaller base is 10, which has 1 0, so it should have a single digit. Now, for that, we need to copy 4 as it is, and we need to add a carry 2 to 8 so that it becomes 10. Okay. Now in the second part, the number of digits depends on the number of digits in the bases. That means for the 1000, number 1000 has 3 zeros and 10 has 2 zeros. We'll be subtracting 3 minus 1, which is 2. So we are left with 2 zeros. So it should have a 2-digit number. I'm repeating it. For the second part, the number of digits depends upon the difference of number of zeros of base. So for the bigger number, we have the base 1000 which has 3 zeros. For the smaller number, we have the base 10 which has 1 zero. Then we'll be subtracting 1 from 3 which is 2. So this part should have 2 digits. So for that reason 10 will be left as it is. 13 is here and combining the answer would be 13104. I hope it is clear to you now.